Hey guys, tara, samahan niyo ako sa simpleng kwento at good vibes while movie time with my sister. Alam mo yung mga simpleng moment na akala mo ordinary lang, pero deep inside, it's something you will remember forever. Tonight, it's just me and my sister. A bowl of chips, a warm cup of coffee, at syempre, movie night. Yung tipo ng banding na walang kailangan i-explain. At may pakomentary pa kami sa mga eksena. Pero habang nanonood kami, nare-realize ko, life is kinda like a movie rin, diba? May plot twist, may heartbreaks, may kilig, may times na gusto mong i-fast forward kasi ang sakit na. Pero kahit ganun, kailangan mong panoorin, kailangan mong daanan. At minsan, ang kailangan mo lang ay kasama. Yung may kakampi ka habang pinapanood mo ang kwento ng buhay mo. Someone who laughs with you, cries with you, and reminds you that no matter how messy life gets, it's still worth watching. By the way, sister ko pala. Partner in crime, instant therapist, kalaban sa chips, at cashier sa coffee. Hindi man siya perfect, at lalo na hindi ako, pero sa mga ganitong gabi, nare-realize ko, life doesn't have to be grand to be meaningful. Sometimes, it's just a cozy night with someone who sees the story in you. So kung ikaw pagod ka na sa drama ng buhay, maybe all you need is a pause, a movie, a snack, and someone beside you na magsasabing, okay lang yan, kasama mo ako.